Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Shazam on iPhone in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is ensure that you have an active internet connection. You can either do this through your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. The other thing that you must ensure is that your iOS version is up to date. For that, head over to Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap About, and check your iOS version. You must have at least iOS 17.0 or later. This iPhone's iOS version is 26.4.2, so we're good to go. You can then head over to your app drawer and then tap on the App Store, tap on Search, and then search for Shazam in the search bar. Click the magnifying glass icon and then download Shazam. Make sure that you are signed in to your Apple ID on your App Store, or else the App Store will redirect you to log in using your Apple ID, in which case you'll have to enter your credentials and verify that it is you before you try and download any app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.